In Yellowknife, where I live, daylight hours change drastically throughout the year. Okay, in the summertime, we have barely any darkness, and in the wintertime, we have sometimes only a few hours of daylight. So I notice it makes a big difference, which made me want to do some research on this for my project. So these extremes highlight an important point supported by research. Sunlight is not just about visibility and weather, but it plays a measurable role in your mood, your sleep, and your overall mental functioning. So basically, my brain doesn't work in the winter if I don't see the sun. That's what I break it down to. But the research is what I'm here to tell you about today. Daylight decreases. Well, according to research from Harvard Medical School, sunlight is the main regulator of our circadian rhythm, or our internal biological clock. When light enters your eye, it sends signals to the brain indicating it is daytime and it's time to be alert, okay? So this process affects two key neurochemicals, serotonin, which plays an important role in regulating your mood and emotional stability, and melatonin, which is typically released in the evening hours at nighttime, helps you sleep. So with enough daylight exposure, serotonin levels tend to be higher during the day, and melatonin remains low until nighttime. However, when daylight exposure decreases, this balance can be disrupted. The National Institute of Mental Health links reduced exposure to daylight with seasonal affective disorder, a form of depression that occurs more frequently at higher latitudes. Importantly, it is not a matter of attitude or mental weakness. It is biological response, okay? So why this matters more in northern regions is because we have less daylight in the winter. Research indicates that individuals in these areas are greater risk for circadian, with what I've observed personally. What does research say actually helps with this, though? The research is encouraging. First, morning light exposure. As early as you can. When you get up, studies show that brief exposure in an early day helps reset your rhythm. And it helps improve mood and alertness. Second, outdoor light is significantly more effective than indoor light. Even on cloudy days, outdoor daylight is many times brighter than indoor daylight and indoor lighting. When outdoor light exposure is not possible, research supports the use of a light therapy lamp, often called SAD lamps, and according to National Institute of Mental Health, regular exposure to bright artificial light, particularly in the morning, can help regulate circadian rhythms. And these are normally at a certain lux level. I can give you some more details on that later. Well, these lamps are not a replacement for natural sunlight. They are evidence-based tool. Third, movement also enhances the effect of light exposure. Studies suggest that the light physical outdoor activity, such as a walk or a jog, improves your mood and sleep quality. Get outside. Get outside every day if you can. Across the research that I did for this project, one theme consistently appears. Consistency matters more than intensity. Living in the North has reinforced what research already demonstrates. Supporting mental health in winter is not about pushing harder, it's about working with your human biology. Light matters, timing matters, and consistency matters. So tomorrow morning, before the day becomes busy, step outside for 5 minutes. And if it's cloudy or cold, get some natural outdoor lighting on you. That small action sends a powerful biological signal to the brain. It is daytime. It's time to be alert. Get on with your day. And according to the research, that signal can improve how the rest of your day goes.